What's up again, YouTube Pam? It's your boy again, Potsky, and today we gotta do a reaction video about this song called Big Dogs by Humankind, right? So before anything else, guys, if you're new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and of course leave a comment about your thoughts on this video. And if you have a video recommendation for us to react for the next time, hope you just comment it down below, guys. Thank you so much, really much appreciate it. And of course, before anything else, I want to shout out everyone and hope you all doing good on where you at right now. All right, so let's do this. Humankind, Big Dogs. Let's get it.
Warning. The stunts in this movie.
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I already heard this music before, but I haven't yet seen this video. So okay, let's experience what we're gonna get from this. Wait a minute. Is this India?
Wait a minute.
It looks kind of like India. If it's India, well, India, you did a great job on this one. Didn't know India can do something like this.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing.
And look at these videos, for real. They run in circle on this, what you call this, cage or something.
When we standing on business, I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing country, baby, got that product you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got.
Look at that.
Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow. Zelly on silent, put the product in the pillar loud. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. And if you don't deserve a cut, then we gon' cut them off. My barber got me looking proper every single time.
Ooh la mamie, and look at that. Female rider doing the thing too.
Fresh bag, getting fitted on that top grade. No, you ain't walking out alive, smoking what we on. And you know I got it poured for the ones who gone. R.I.P. is in your memory, we carry on. When I die, they will not bury me, not what I want. Burn my body, pour my ashes in the river, y'all. That's how we knowin' that the flow about to carry on. See, immortality's a fallacy, I prove 'em wrong. The Southern family gon' carry me the way beyond. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it, ho? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? We ain't worry about it, ho. Watch your skirt the way. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like.
I like the way they do the video, the cinematic effects of this video.
We ain't worry about it, ho. Watch your skirt the way. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it, ho? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? We ain't worry about you, ho. Watch me skirt the whip, yeah, swerving. Moving to the money like it's urgent. Hands on God, so I'm in it like a surgeon. The skin color like the bourbon. Worldwide sign and we face close curtains. I hear you, nothing ever certain. Only thing that's promised is that promises are broken. Yeah, so we finding ways to cope then. Only thing I'm breaking is her back with emotions. Yeah, baby, go bring out the goodies. Stuck it in inside the hoodie. Now we turning out your buggy. Yeah, it's cool, I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. Guess some things don't leave me fully. They try and push me, then they try and pull me. Better when I budge. gorge. If you doubt it, then just call my bookie. And my bookie taking bets. Prophesize a profit when you know what's coming next. Like, ooh.
Yeah, baby, go bring out the goodies.
Oh, so it cuts down slow here.
You know what's coming next. Like, ooh.
Yeah, baby, go bring out the goodies. Stuffed it inside the hoodie. Now we turning out your buggy. Yeah. It's cool, I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. I guess some things don't leave me fully. They try and push me, then they try and pull me. Better when I budge. If you doubt it, then just call my bookie. And my bookie taking bets. Prophesize a prophet when you know what's coming next. Like,
prophesize a prophet when you know what's coming next.
taking bets. Prophesize a prophet when you know what's coming next. Like, money on my mind, we gon' run it up. See what you gon' find.
Sri Sai.
Baby, push your love. We been on the ground, we been getting.
Oh, there you have it. It's India, all right. India, Great India Maruti Circus.
No, we ain't got that time for you fucking bums. Money on my mind, we gon' run it up.
Okay, all right. Oh, let's continue.
Do the same if you want starting, bro.
Right, I think it's the end of the video or the music. So, guys, there we go. Guys. How do you like that? So, what do you think about this video, guys? Alright, my thoughts about this video is it's great, and of course, congratulations, India, and you did a great job doing this. Humankind. Yep, congratulations, India. You did it this time. And yep, thank you so much. So until then, it's been your boy Potsky. Don't forget to like this video, and of course, till next time, peace.
Blast the block. Enemy and friend is not an option. We all listen, now we go dance and start. Sing Salavina.